it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun, kind of fall-inspired video for you guys. This morning I went to the farmer's market and I got some fun little things. It's kind of annoying that they put stuff in plastic. It's annoying that it's not just in bulk, but a lot of the stuff that you have to buy it in plastic, so excuse that. But I do bring my own like reusable shopping bags to the market. But anyways, I got some fun little produce things. So today we are going to be making maple mustard roasted vegetables. This would be perfect for obviously American Thanksgiving. Canadian Thanksgiving has already passed, but this would be a really good side dish. But this is also really awesome to just kind of like meal prep, so you can make it on a Sunday and then have these roasted veggies in your fridge to put with your meals. I've got my like biggest, coziest yellow sweater on for this video. And I've got all my colorful, amazing produce. So I'm feeling the fall vibes as usual. Pretty much been feeling the fall vibes since September 1st. But that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into the video. You're going to start by washing and chopping the vegetables. You want to make sure you cut them into fairly even shapes so that they cook evenly. And I like doing a mix of potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, and squash. And then just add them to a roasting pan with some oil and salt and pepper and get them all nice and coated, and then bake them in the oven for 20 minutes. Then you want to take them out, give them a stir, and put them back in for another 20 minutes until they are nice and tender. In the meantime, you can prepare the sauce, which is tahini, Dijon mustard, maple syrup, and lemon juice. And then once the veggies come out of the oven, just before serving, you can drizzle the sauce over top, and you can either leave it like that for serving, it looks really pretty, or you can stir it up and get them all nice and coated in that sauce. So I love serving this with some quinoa and steamed greens. I really love Swiss chard lately, and then I just add that all to a bowl and dig in. Like I said in my Green Goddess bowl video, I've just been craving big hearty bowls like this lately. Obviously it's because it's fall and it's cold outside a little bit, and it just feels really comforting. Oh, also I like to put on extra sauce. There's like a bunch of sailboats outside. They look so cute. I decided to come do my taste test over here. Not that I haven't been eating pieces of this from the pan while I've been taking photos and stuff, because I have been, but gotta show you guys that it's edible, you know? This is just so fall. Honestly, these past few videos have been like the most fun that I've had doing YouTube in so long. I just love being all cozied up on my couch, eating good food, talking with you guys. A little note about tahini, because I know not everyone knows what tahini is or even likes it. I do find different brands taste a little bit different, but honestly, I feel like I really love using it in sauces like this, where you're combining it with like lemon juice and then something sweet, because I find that that really brings out the flavor of the tahini and makes it less bitter. So if you've tried tahini before and you haven't liked it, I do suggest trying this recipe anyway, because it really does taste different than just like straight up tahini. But another tip, if you are allergic to sesame seeds, you can leave out the tahini. You will want to add some sort of fat source, so maybe like some olive oil or something, just to kind of like, I don't know, like emulsify the sauce and make it creamy. I mean, you could totally just do mustard, maple, and lemon juice. That would also be good. But I find that adding a bit of fat just like gives it a bit of substance and just gives the whole veggie dish a little bit more staying power. So yeah, I am going to go finish this ginormous bowl of goodness. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make this recipe, please take a photo and tag me on Instagram at itslivb, or you can tweet me because I'm on Twitter now at itslivb as well. If you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed and that your notification bell is turned on so that you get notified when I post a video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate and love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.